Today I will show you how to set up automated messages on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into our Facebook account, and then we're going to go on the page that we want to set up the messages for. Once you click on your icon there, you can choose the page that you want to set the messages for on Instagram. Now once you click on that, you're going to click on this icon that says manage page, and from here we're going to click on Meta Business Suite. On the Meta Business Suite, since we have Instagram under this umbrella, we're going to go to inbox. Now once the inbox page loads, what we're going to do is we're going to go to automations, and on the automations we're going to create an automation. So we're going to go to create automation at the top. Now we can create different automations. We have great people, we have an auto reply and an away message. Let's create an auto reply. Now here in the channel we're going to untick messenger, we're going to tick Instagram, and here we're going to personalize the message so people that receive the message can receive it once we are not around. It's going to be automated. Now there's this button down here that we can click to really personalize the message to match the receiver's first name and last name, and once we put that, it's going to give our name as an example, and once we click on save changes, it's going to take effect. Now that's how to automate set up automated messages on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe.